Hi, I'm Ayush. Welcome to my channel, mathgenius, and in this video, I'm going to show you how to solve one-step equations. So let's start. So the first problem, x minus 8 equals 21. You get rid of the minus 8. That means you have to add 8. If you add 8 to one side, you have to add 8 to the other side. So you have to add 8 here too. So you have to add 8 to both sides. So that makes it x equals 21 plus 8, which equals 29. So x equals 29. To check if 29 is the correct answer, you substitute the 29 into x. So 29 minus 8 equals 21. If this is true, that means 29 is the correct answer for this problem. Yes, 29 minus 8 equals 21. So 29 is the correct answer in this problem. Next is x plus 4 equals 11. And to get rid of the positive 4, you have to subtract 4 from both sides. That makes it x equals 11 minus 4, which equals 7. So x equals 7. To check if 7 is the right answer, you substitute 7 into x. So 7 plus 4 equals 11. 7 plus 4 does equal 11. So that means 7 is the correct answer for this problem. The next is 9 equals x minus 10. To get rid of the minus 10, you have to add 10 to both sides. So that makes it 19 equals x, because 9 plus 10 equals 19. To check if 19 is the correct answer, you substitute the 19 into x. See if it's correct. Yes, this is true. 19 minus 10 equals 9. So 19 is the correct answer for this problem. And next is 17 equals x plus 2. So to get rid of the positive 2, you subtract 2 from both sides. And that makes it 15 equals x, because 17 minus 2 equals 15. To check if 15 is the correct answer, you substitute the 15 into x. 17 equals 15 plus 2. Yes, 15 plus 2 equals 17, so that means 17 is the correct answer. 15 is the correct answer in this problem. And last problem is x minus 5 equals negative 16. So for this problem, you add 5 to both sides to get rid of the minus 5. So that means x equals negative 16 plus 5, which equals negative 11. To check if negative 11 is the correct answer, you substitute negative 11 into x. Negative 11 minus 5 equals negative 16. Negative 11 minus 5 is equal to negative 16. So that means negative 11 is the correct answer for this problem. That's it for this video. If you still don't understand this concept and need help, please be free to ask anything in the comment section below. And please, if you like this video, like and subscribe to my channel. Thank you so much, and see you next time.